Hey, man, we got the Yamaha gas here. It's got a little noise to it, man. I want to show you what kind of noise to listen to. Electric car, gas car, any type of golf cart, man. Any vehicle, alternator, anything. This is how you listen to it and pinpoint the noise. A little broomstick or whatever you got and put it on something you want to see if the noise is at. And I'm going to take my hand and cuff it like this. And the noise is most definitely not in the engine itself. So now what I'm going to do is take it and put it on the starter. And I took the broomstick and I put it on that right there, and I cranked it up and I just cuffed my hand like this here and see if you can hear the noise. All right, that's a quick trick, man. If you got a gas car that's got a noise, you got one in the electric rear end and you want to pinpoint if it's the bearing or if it's the input shaft, just put you something on your input shaft and see if you can hear it. But all right, man, I just want to show everybody that, man. Thanks for watching. Hit that button, hit that subscribe button for me. Always remember, watch my next video. Always remember one thing, man. Hey.